My name is Fat Girl Slim, I'm rapping on the whim. I'm L Cube's groupie, this track's about to get loopy. What's this about math? Rapping like a psychopath. Making a video, turning up the stereo, hey, about to get cray.
Math class, as if like clueless, when you're sitting and asking yourself like, what is calculus, how foolish? It's an extension of algebra 3 and 4, and in Mrs. O'Neill's class it's never a bore. She said, write a math rap and you know we will. One song, 5 parts like a polynomial. Find the domain and range for the function as follows. So we're looking for answers like Harry, look for deathly hollows. A function or not, what a ridiculous thought process. See if X repeats, watch my flow like osmosis, cause we got these 5 beats heard around the nation. Can't be censored, we're explicit. Just like differentiation, we can solve any problem cause we're clever and shrewd. And you know we ain't squares, nah son, it's L cubed.
Writing with a pencil, calc's getting mental. With a figure, super high number. Yeah, I'm so much smarter in Asia than in China. You can be the geek, but walk the world conquer. First things first, I'll simplify. Then I'ma start rocking a division sign, cause that's what an honors calc student do. Mrs. O'Neill taught us right what her lessons do. Don't need an 84, I conclude. L cubed is on the track with the calculus crew. And now I'm solving derivatives with a funny face. Cause if I'm fake, I don't notice cause my limits ain't, so let me get this straight. Wait, I'm the rookie, but my problems can't be solved so easily. Graphing super high, functions no calculator. Yeah, my number's so tall that my classmates gotta climb it. Hotter than a Pisa's functions line test, try it. UV tables help you when you solve it. That's how these students are so math-minded. But really, we don't need a QUIZ. Forget report cards, let our math grades be. Income when I'd rather be a super mathlete. And I'll say, freshman math is child's play. Just did my final project, it's a mild day. Besides, yay, they can't stand besides me. I think me, you, and you should tutor Friday. Numbers, pi day, make this track last. I think big, past class, make 'em blink fast. Now look at what you just saw, this is what you live for. Ah, I'm an honors calc student. We learned to graph inequalities, and then we solved them algebraically. Can't catch senioritis, we're gonna try to fight it.
So what's the probability of approaching infinity? We're seniors in math class and all we want to do is pass.
We pass our expectations with math rap creations. Hold on to your parentheses, subtract you out your seats.
The world is full of numbers.
Math jokes on our tumblers.
That's our rap, we don't mean to exclude. We're the 4 members of L cubed.
Yeah, honors calc making us so clever, preparing us for our future endeavors. Learning all these concepts, asking yourself why. Well, cause in real life, all these lessons can apply. Real world application, positive profits and revenue, finding fixed costs and marginal. You know how we do. Break even ain't bad in a business analysis, but I'll be making bank that could cause a paralysis. Business isn't the only place that calc is applicable. Life is filled with issues, yeah, it's pretty predictable. Facing a problematic situation, stressing out in need of a salvation? Then get ready for this mathematical progression. Create a T-table, plot it, and make the connection. Exercise your brain, restrict your domain. Know the max and the min, where you end to begin. Solve your problem piecewise, piece by piece. Before you know it, the agita will cease.
Piecewise, fluent in the language of limits, approaching it like you're playing Tetris, I'm yo main. And this knowledge seems insane unless, of course, you play medieval games. So to slow jam this rap like Obama and Jimmy Fallon, we're all up in this rap about numbers just bragging.
Zingo, fluent in the lingo of limits, approaching the infinite using our wits. Anything is possible if your left and right match. Watch all your ideas blossom and hatch. Potential and ambition are continuous. Just look at Ferb and his brother Phineas. Tell me, Katie Aaron, why is the sky the limit? Cause it doesn't exist. Doesn't exist.
See Black, dropping shows like the Disney Channel, showing more calc topics than most can handle. These math topics can be used in application, knowing the methods can aid your calculations. One pencil in hand for all of the mistakes. Understanding now, it's a piece of cake. Pay attention in class if you dare to learn. Thrust your calc in the air for math you yearn. The reason my math skills are much sharper, it's because of the workload that makes me study harder, help me ace test and get 100s, talking about something much better than some Benjamins. This is all thanks to Honors Calculus.
Honors Calculus.
Beginning of the year, start fresh, brand new, but not really, cause we're starting with some SAT review. Formulas for area, yeah? What a throwback, we be using calculators. For some math rack, yeah, we gotta practice packet after packet. Gotta do well, don't stress out or blow a gasket. Look around the textbook, somebody should have told her that all the information belongs in your math folder. Inside you'll find all the stuff that we done, like women in math and that leaky toilet one. A funny little problem based off a predicament. You had to recall some old school measurements. Then when fall came, we did college affordability. Solve problems left and right, yeah, we got agility. College is expensive, ka-ching, ka-ching. Late May, now the time to start reflecting. Get some brain food, we're doing math until daybreak. Solve limits, find derivatives, yeah, that's all it takes.
Second period, we walk in the classroom. We're gonna learn. It's the opposite of doom. Let's get out our books, forget hallway dirty looks. It's when we learn our best in the shady new nest. Who's sitting through two? Math rules are true. Thinking critically, not my cup of tea. Find a common denominator, divide into the numerator. I reckon this rap couldn't make it in a snap. Wrote lyrics for days, the whole thing is a haze. Drop beats on the Mac, wrote this crazy track. Work late nights, so our excites, reach new heights, aren't we, Brett? I hope you enjoy our video. Maybe we'll be on Vimeo. 4 minutes 3 is 1, and now our song's done.